you enjoy bold, herby flavors with a little edge, this one is for you. This Rosemary Garlic Mustard Seasoning is simple to make, but adds a deep, savory touch to anything you use it on. You can find the full recipe with exact measurements in the description below. Into a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of onion powder for a strong, savory base. Then mix in 1 tablespoon of mustard powder and 2 teaspoons of finely crushed dried rosemary to bring in that sharp, herby character. Next, add 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika for a gentle warmth and depth. Follow with 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt to balance and enhance the flavors. And finish with 1 teaspoon of brown sugar to round everything out with a subtle sweetness. Mix everything thoroughly until the blend is even and well combined. If you enjoy making your own seasoning blends, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who would love it too. And for more simple recipes like this, subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon so you never miss our latest updates. So here you go with your simple rosemary garlic mustard seasoning. It is bold, balanced, and full of flavor and makes about 5 tablespoons, perfect for everyday use. If you have any leftovers or wish to make a larger batch, simply store it in an airtight container in a cool, dry place, and it will stay fresh for up to 6 months. Give this a try and bring a new layer of flavor into your cooking. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon with more recipes where it's all about flavors made simple.